Hey guys, and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have been here before, thank you for returning. Let's get into it. This video is for all of my pink lovers. You may think, who the heck would want a pink Christmas tree? Me, her, I'm that person. I would. And hopefully there are some other people out there as well. So this video is all about how to style pink Christmas trees and other pink Christmas decor. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will be back to check with you later. So is anything piquing your interest so far? Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which tree so far you absolutely love, if any. A pink tree is not for everyone, but I'm so interested in hearing what you all have to say. Alright guys, don't forget to comment down below and let me know, one, would you ever do a pink Christmas tree? And if you would, which one of these is your favorite? I am so interested in knowing that. Just a quick break from the video to say, if you have not already, run on over to jeremythomasquartet.com. Get your CD called Christmas in the Night. You guys, it's one of my favorite CDs. It's the perfect CD for this holiday season. It's a jazz funk fusion, lots of songs you know, a couple that you may not, and it is appropriate for kids. You can play it while you're wrapping gifts, while you're eating Christmas dinner, just throughout the whole season. So run over there right now and grab it. Alright guys, hopefully by now you have told me your favorite, but if you want to know mine, it's this tree right here. How extra over the top, beautiful, glam is this tree? And it still has hints of pink. This is just perfect for me. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. We will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. You guys have an amazing day. See you then. Bye friends.